Makita ka. Sige, ulit ah.
Ah,
Sige. 1, 2, 3. Climate is an essential aspect of our Earth that shape various ecosystem and habitat that ulit ra ulit. Climate is an essential aspect of our Earth that shape various ecosystem and habitat across the globe. For the past centuries, our planet undergo various changes. It includes the changes on its climate. As time goes by, these changes greatly affects the condition of our planet, causing major problems and catastrophe. We are gathered here to discuss the uncontrollable effect and the causes of anthropogenic climate change. We are here to discuss and listen to the opinions of your peers if they are agree to the fact that climate change is due to the anthropogenic activities.
For me, Earth's climate is now changing faster than any point. It is the result of our daily activities. Because of our action, the condition of our planet is now at risk. According to the Intergovernmental Panel of Climate Change, or the IPCC, human emissions and activities have caused around 100% of the warming. We can see its effects to the glaciers in the North and South Pole. Melting of caps and glacier could create a major problems in the future, especially the rising of the sea level. That is why we should not neglect the effects of anthropogenic climate change.
I admire your thoughts, but I think it is not fair for us to blame ourselves towards the changes in our climate. I mean, climate change has typically occurred over 1,000 years ago, where humans do not have any tools that will affect the climate in a negative way. There are other factors that all of us must consider when it comes to this issue, including the changes of our Earth's orbit, the strength of the sun, volcanic eruptions, and other environmental activities that could be a change in our climate.
I agree to your ideas, but I must say that humans pulled the trigger and started everything, which leads to the extreme changes in our climate. Cutting of trees, usage of coals and other chemicals leads to the anthropogenic climate change. The main driver of climate change is our own action. Yes, it is true that our planet can change its condition in a natural way, but we cannot get rid of the fact that most of us, especially our actions, contributed negative effects in our climate.
Yes, I agree to your idea of anthropogenic climate change. It is quite visible in our society that most of us uses devices that could contribute negative effects to our planet. But, regardless of who is responsible, we as individual must make our initiatives to resolve this issue. By simple actions, we can create a complex impact through consuming our renewable energy, reduce water waste, and lessen the consumption of carbon dioxide. We can help to decrease the amount of greenhouse gases in our planet.
Climate change is an issue that all of us are experiencing, regardless of your race, status, religion, and age. All of us are involved to this phenomena. It should be addressed since we are also the reason why this is happening to our planet. It's important to remember that change only happens when individuals take action. Thank you everyone for participating in this forum. I hope that our viewers could get information about anthropogenic climate change.
Nice, nice.